Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Discord screen share not working in 2026. The first thing that you can try is head over to Play Store and then to open up Discord and then update the Discord app to the latest version. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps, tap on Discord, tap on permissions. Here you'll have to allow permissions to camera by setting it to allow only while using the app, microphone also while setting it to allow only while using the app, and photos and videos on your device. The thing that you can try and do if everything is okay is head over to storage and cache, clear the cache of Discord and try again. Also be sure to check your server roles and compatibility. Also do remember that audio sharing capabilities are only on Android 11 or higher. So for that, please check your Android version as well. You can head over to settings, tap on system and then tap on system updates for that, in which your Android version will be displayed. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.